Hey guys, Tepcocyclerepair. I'm about to put 160 pounds in this KTM pipe. That's maxing out my gauge. That's as much pressure as I can put in this sucker. And let me show you what happens. It pulled it out like butter, guys. Let me tell you something. These pipes right here, these Pro Circuit pipes, they're thick, they're heavy duty. So when you put heat on these things, it'll push it out and it'll be nice and simple. If you got welds and stuff on a cheap pipe, pay attention to that. Don't put excessive amounts of heat on it. But you saw I'm using MAP gas. I'm just using this MAP gas torch for it. And it worked out great. And then I polished it with the semi-chrome with a little buffer on an air angle. So, buffed up nice and clean. So this pipe looks really good. I'm going to give it back to my buddy. He's excited. The bike fell over, got some dents in it. He's going to have a nice clean pipe back on his bike. And after a quick polish with some semi-chrome, it's looking sweet. Look at that dent, gone. This one up here, gone. All right, that's not, I didn't even do that. The dents that we fixed were right there. All right, see that? Smooth. And up here too. Everything looks really good. Oh yeah, guys, so I forgot to add. A lot of people will say they put 40, 50 pounds in there. You're not going to push anything out with 40, 50 pounds. Trust me, I've tried it. It's a waste of time. Put at least 100 pounds in that sucker and then start doing it. It ain't going to work, at 40, 50 pounds. You just won't do it. So guys, look, the tool that I'm using is from a company called Bar. The guy, it's a machine shop. He makes them, but he's not in the market of selling them. So you have to call them and kind of ask them to make it, and it's not really, you know what I mean? But there's a bunch of them out there. You can find them. You can find them on eBay. You can find them a lot of different places. It's the same setup. Make sure it has a gauge on it so you can check your pressure, and make sure it has a way of putting pressure in that thing. And all I did is max it out with my compressor as much as I can put in there, which I think I have it set to about 130 right now on my compressor, and then 120 in the compressor. And then just by putting heat to it, it's going to raise it. Pay attention to it. I don't bring it up higher than 160, but when I was doing this one, it was actually a little bit higher than 160. But if it the pressure starts to get too high, it'll start leaking out of the ends where you have the hookups. It didn't do it on this one. It worked out just fine. So guys, you can straighten those pipes. It's real easy. You see how fast it was. It's simple. You can polish the pipe back out again. Hopefully this helps you out, guys. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notifications. Until next time, Tepcocyclerepair.